Honorable Principal Sir, respected coordinator, teachers and all my dear friends. Let us start our day with a prayer song. Friends, join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer song. To say the Bible words from the Holy Bible. Good morning. Today's Bible portion is taken from Proverbs chapter 4 verse 5. Get wisdom, get understanding. Do not forget my words or turn away from them. Amen. I call us not to say the Lord's Prayer. Lord's Prayer. Repeat the prayer after me. Our Father in heaven. Holy be your name. Holy be your name. Your kingdom come. Your kingdom come. Your will be done. Your will be done. On earth. On earth. I call Elena to say the thought for the day. Good morning. Today's thought is the youth is the hope of our future. I repeat the thought, the youth is the hope of our future. Thank you. Thank you, Elena, for the beautiful thought. Dhwani is here to present Tirukural for the day. வணக்கம். இன்றைய திருக்குறள். எப்பொருள் யார் யார்வாய் கேட்பினும் அப்பொருள் மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பது அறிவு. குறள் விளக்கம். ஒரு செய்தியை யார் சொன்னாலும் அதை அப்படியே நம்பாமல் உண்மை தன்மையை கண்டறிந்து கொள்வதே அறிவுடைமை ஆகும். நன்றி, வணக்கம். இந்திய நாள் இனிய நாளாக அமைய நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். Thank you, Dhwani. Next, this is here to say vocabulary for the day. Good morning. Today's vocabulary is flex, meaning to show off something. Sentence, she likes to flex her new phone. Thank you. Thank you, Gisle. Now, Vihar is here to say interesting fact. Good morning. Today's interesting facts about fruits. Pineapples take 2 years to grow. A pomegranate can hold up to 1,400 seeds. Kiwis have more vitamin C than oranges. Thank you. Thank you, Vihar. Next, Narlia is going to give a speech in English about Independence Day. No amount of money can give the happiness that freedom does. Good morning to everyone present here. Today, I feel proud to stand before you and speak about the Indian Independence Day. Every year on 15th August, we celebrate this day with great joy, respect and love for our nation. It is a day to remember the sacrifice and struggle of each and everyone who fought in the freedom struggle. Mahatma Gandhi, with his principles of non-violence, guided Indians towards freedom. Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai and many other freedom fighters gave up their lives to make India a freedom country. As the future generation, let us promise to make India proud and well known all over the world. Let us be good students and good citizens for our nation. Together, let's rejoice and say Vande Mataram. Thank you, Naralia. Karshan and team are here to sing Tamil song about independence. Vande Mataram, Jai Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Jai Vande Mataram. Jaya Jaya Bharat, Jaya Jaya Bharat, Jaya Jaya Bharat, Jaya 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 Bharat, Jaya Jaya Bharat, Jaya Jaya Bharat, Jaya 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 Vande Mataram, Jaya Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. വന്ദേ മാതരം. ആര്യ ഭൂമിയിൽ നാരിയരും നരസൂര്യരും ചൊല്ലും വീര്യവാസകം വന്ദേ മാതരം. ജയ വന്ദേ മാതരം, വന്ദേ മാതരം, ജയ വന്ദേ മാതരം. നൊന്തേ പോയിനും വന്ദേ മായിനും നന്ദേ സത്ത വന്ദേ സെൽവത് വന്ദേ മാതരം. ജയ വന്ദേ മാതരം, വന്ദേ മാതരം, ജയ വന്ദേ മാതരം. ஒன்றாய் நெஞ்சினி வென்றாயிரும் உயிர் சென்றாயிரும் மலி குன்றாதோதுவம் வந்தே மாதரம். ஜெய வந்தே மாதரம், வந்தே மாதரம், ஜெய வந்தே மாதரம். Thank you, Karshan. Abhisha and team are here to sing Hindi song about Independence Day. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा. हिंदुस्तान इसकी ये गुलसितान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा. हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा. पर्वत सबसे ऊंचा हमसाया आसमान का, पर्वत सबसे ऊंचा हमसाया आसमान का. ओ सौंदर्य हमारा, ओ पासवा हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा. हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा. Up next, we have a cheerful grade second day student ready to entertain you with a delightful skit based on Independence Day.